Hi everybody, this is Urban Sweetheart Teresa. Today we have another wig by Motown Tress. This is another one of their premium wigs collection, Day Glow wig. What is a Day Glow? Day Glow wig. I don't know. But this is Denver number 3 in the color 3T4 slash 613. No, I don't have my false teeth in. I don't know why I'm slurring. Anyway, they give you special care instructions on the back up at the top. This is a picture of her. This is the color. Y'all knew I was going to bring y'all a blonde wig. They put the little crown piece, try to hold your curls in place. This one right here, I still can't remember how much I've been paying. But I might have to start keeping my little paperwork when the wigs come. And so I can be able to give y'all accurate price, because price is definitely a major concern nowadays. We have the no comb in the back, adjustable straps, no cord or bungee cord or band as they call it. I would cut that out. This is what it's looking like on the inside. If it ain't got no combs in the back, guess what? There ain't none in the front. So either I would put my, what you call this thing, little band thing, the secure grip holder, whatever you want to call it, or you want to spray something to tack this down, because it's probably going to slide, even though it looks big head friendly. Trying to find out what's the front and what's the back. All right, this is what the color look like. It's dark, very dark in the back. They could put a number 4 in the back. Yeah, it's already slipping, so definitely don't try to walk out of here without putting something on this wig down, because you're going to be looking crazy. Somebody going to easily just snatch you straight up. I don't like how dark this is at the bottom, but I'm going to go with it for now. See what we can do with it. I'm going to try to comb her instead of brushing. Okay, this looks like a work unit. Sunday school. Now this would look different if you had lashes on. Like y'all, I done told y'all in the earlier video, I ain't feel like putting no lashes on. So y'all getting it raw. Who does look like? Maxine Waters with some color. Hers was always like a dark color. I like the cut. This is definitely, I'm going somewhere here. Excuse me. Comes down just a little bit past my ears, if you could see that. Excuse me. I do like the style. I'm gonna do this. See, I can't put it behind my, well, maybe I could, but excuse me, y'all. If I am gonna put it behind my wig, it's definitely going on my head, because I already feel like it's about to slip off. Look like picture hair. He's about to take you a picture or something. All right, let's go around. Now y'all know I ain't do a full combing. So don't laugh at the back. Bless you. Thank you. I know somebody said it. Hope y'all can't see no tracks. Style that before you go out. I don't feel like doing this video over. That's why I'm just coughing and trying to get through it. I don't know. It's feel like it's aging me. So as long as you ain't trying to feel your age, then go ahead with it. I feel like it's aging me. See, nah, I wouldn't have felt aged up too bad. All this bulk, this to me feel like bulk. This bulk wasn't there, but it is. So let's make the best of it. All right, let's see what we could do with a brush. Definitely can be styled different than what you see on the package. I look like somebody's early grandmother or late, like you still going to your child's school. Then they called you into a conference. You kind of come there and think you being cute. I'm coming there and I'm thinking I'm being cute. Definitely going to the usher meeting. Don't get me started. I'm going to the usher meeting. We got a meeting tonight, choir rehearsal. And I think I'm being cute. Okay. You ain't telling me. Let me get it started. Make sure none of my information's showing. This from the Nielsen's. I ain't never had nothing from them before. The Nielsen. Who watch TV? Who actually still watches TV? Because it ain't me. It ain't me. The Nielsen's coming knocking now. Trying to see what I want to watch. I'm sitting here with my Bible, waiting for service to start. Church approved. Going to bingo. Okay. Don't play. Don't play. So if the wind hit it, it's going to bounce it up a little bit, but it's going to come back and play. So you ain't got to be worrying about, I got to get the brush out. I think if it gets knocked around, it's going to come back into play. Now, see how you can just change this? Don't even look like the same wig. So just how you feeling that day? What you going to do with old girl? Definitely a church wig. Definitely. Teacher. Mature teacher. Let's be real now. I don't see no young girl wearing this. You done lived a little putting this on your head. You done lived a little. Make it work for me. I'm gonna make it work. Have your little spray bottle with a mixture of some mousse and water, just a little bit. Get it how you want it, and then with that whole spray, and it should stay how you trying to do it. I done flipped it up in the back. Doing too much, Teresa. You're doing too much. Going for a long weekend, throw this in the bag or throw it on your head. Gonna get you there and back. Throw it on your head. You got a little money, throw it on your head. You think you cute, throw it on your head. Or you could get somebody you know how to tighten it up, take a little bit of the bulk out of it. It's that Ruby Woo. Try to match it with my little necklace I got. I think I got this at Burlington Coat Factory. Nice little necklace, but I should have got the black one. Or the white one. This is so bold, the coloring. I should have got something more neutral. Got to go with them neutrals, lady. Neutrals. So you can blend it in with what you have. Stop getting in my eye. I was like, girl, you ain't going in this video. I'm gonna spin around so y'all can see it all. Just comb down in the back. Maybe that might change your opinion of it. Think about getting it. Because it's gonna go on sale. It's gonna go on sale. Give it to maybe Easter. Well, that Easter holiday. Give it till the end of April. It's going on sale. Hope this helps somebody make a decision if they want it or not. Would I get it again? No. 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 But I like it. It's very versatile. I do like it. But nah, I don't think I would get it again. No. Definitely remember what I told you. It's big head friendly, but if you're going to wear it, it's got no combs. Either you're going to put combs in there or you're going to find you some type of band or something to hold this bad boy down. Doesn't have to have a clearance for lace or nothing because this has no lace. So just as long as you got something that's going to catch this wig and hold strong to your head. All right, see ya.